Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this video lecture, I will be taking one example based on rolling of two dice. Practice set 5.3, page number 121. The question is, write sample space S and number of sample points n of S for each of the following experiments. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B, n of C. Question number 2. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Event A is the sum of the digit on upper phases is a multiple of 6. Event B is the sum of the digit on the upper phases is minimum 10 and event C is the same digit on both the upper phases. So today we are taking question number 2 from your practice set 5.3. So here we have to write the sample space, number of sample points and the events A, B and C which are given in practice set 5.3. So first we are taking question number 2, that is two dice are rolled simultaneously. So write when two dice are rolled simultaneously, when two dice are rolled simultaneously, sometime it is thrown is given, rolled simultaneously, right? So write the sample space here. Therefore say S is equal to, how to write the sample space when two dice are thrown or when two dice are rolled? Here first draw the bracket 6, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Likewise again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Likewise 6 lines we have to draw here. That is 6 6 are 36. Means total 36 possibilities are there when two dice are rolled simultaneously. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One more is there. No, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more is remaining. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here our bracket is completed. So see in that first line what we have to take? First we are taking 1. We know that there are total 6 different dots on different faces of that dice. So here 6 numbers are there from 1 to 6. So first we are taking 1 1, then 1 2, now 1 3, then next is 1 4, now 1 5 and the last one is 1 6. Okay, means 1 dot on the first die and 1 dot on the second die. Then second possibility, 1 dot on the first die and 2 dots on the second die. Likewise now in the next line we are taking first 2 dots. So 2 1, 2 2, now 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and last one is 2 6. Now 3 we are taking. So 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, then 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. Okay. Now 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6. Next is 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. Okay. Now 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6, 6. So total how many sample points are there? Say therefore n of s is equal to 36. Total 36 possibilities are there. Means possible outcomes are 36 in this random experiment when two dice are rolled simultaneously. Now we are writing first event, event A. Event A is the sum of the digit on upper phases is a multiple of 6. So write A is the event. A is the event that sum of digit on upper faces is multiple of 6. Sum of digits on upper faces is multiple of 6, right? Multiple of 6. So which numbers are multiple of 6? The numbers which comes in table of 6. Correct? Means in 6 times tables, that numbers are multiple of 6. The sum of digit on upper phases is multiple of 6. It means here we have to take the sum of every two number in that bracket and we have to check whether that sum it comes in 6 times tables or not. Which numbers comes in 6 times table? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, correct? But here the biggest sum is only 12, which is 6 plus 6, 12. So here only we have to check the numbers that are the sum 6 and 12. So which numbers or which points sum is 6 or 12, that only we have to search. So the first is, see the first one, from that first line 1 plus 5 6, okay. From this second line 2 plus 4 6, from this third line 3 plus 3 6, next line 4 plus 2 6, and here 5 plus 1 6, from this line 5 plus 1, and the last one is 6 plus 6 12. Means these points will come in that A event. So write therefore A is equal to, okay. So write therefore A is equal to means A is a event of which point? First 1 5, after 1 5 next is 2 4, from second line, from third line 3 and 3, and from fourth line it is 4 and 2, and fifth line is 5 and 1, and the last line is 6 and 6, okay. So these are the numbers or these are the points which will come in that A event whose sum is multiple of 6. 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 4 6, 3 3 6, 4 2 6, 5 1 6, and the last one is 6 plus 6 12. So these are the multiples of 6. So how many points are there? Altogether n of A is equal to how many points? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So total 6 points are there. So here we have to highlight that n of A is equal to 6, okay. N of A is equal to 6. Now we are writing second event. Which that second event is? Second event B is the sum of the digits on the upper phases is minimum 10. So write B is the event. B is the event that the sum of digit on upper face is minimum 10. On upper face is minimum 10. Minimum 10. Okay. See one more thing. If it is asked that minimum 10, minimum means at least 10. Okay. So here minimum 10 and at least 10, both the meanings are similar. So here for minimum 10 we have to take 10 or more than 10. If it is at least 10 or minimum 10, then which points are taken, which numbers are taken? They are the 10 or more than it. So minimum 10 means 10 or more than it, means we have to take the numbers or the digits whose sum is either 10, 11 or 12, because here the biggest sum is 12 only. So it may be 10, 11 or 12. So that points we have to search from these 6 lines. See which points are there. From this first line 10 sum is there? No. From second line? No. From third line 10 or more than it we have to take, na? So this one 4 and 6. Okay. So 4 and 6 10. Then the next one is 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 6 10. Means here we are taking 10 or more than it, because it is minimum 10. So 4 plus 6 10. 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 6 10. Again here 6 plus 4 10. 6 plus 5 11. And 6 plus 6 12. So these points we have to take. So in this B event, we are writing now that points. Say B is a event of first which will come 4 and 6. Then the next one is 5 and 5. 5 and 5 10. Then 5 and 6 11. Afterward next one is 6 plus 4 10. So 6 4, this point also will come. Then 6 plus 5 11. So minimum 10 means 10 or more than it. Okay. And 6 plus 6 12. So how many total points are there in B event? So write n of B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So total 6 points are there. 6 number of points are there in that B event. Now we are writing C event. Event C is the same digit on both the upper faces. Very easy. So write C is the event. C is the event of getting same digits on upper faces. Same digits on upper faces. So write therefore C is a event of. So same digit means, for example here, in that first line 1 1 same digit, then in the second line 2 2, then 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. So these are called as the same digit on upper faces. So these points will come in this C event. So C is a event of 1 1, then here 2 2, afterward 3 3, next is 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. Okay. So how many such points are there? What is the number of point of this C event? The number of point of this C event is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So write therefore n of C is equal to 6. Understood? So highlight this, n of C is equal to 6. Here again n of B is equal to 6 and n of A is equal to 6. Got it? So in this way you can solve any word problem based on this probability when two dice are thrown. So here the sample space, number of sample points are 36, and from these sample points only we have to write the particular events, and it is very easy to write. First one, it is event that the sum of digit on upper faces is multiple of 6. So multiple of 6 means the numbers which comes in 6 times table. So that sum we have to obtain from this digit. And the second one is the sum is minimum 10. So minimum 10, or if it is at least 10, then you have to take the sum that is 10 or more than it. Okay. Then the next one is same score or the same digit on the upper faces, means similar digit, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. If you have any queries, any question, you can text me or you can write in the comment.